First of all, thank you for purchasing our Glory gaff deck. What you receive are two things. The first one is our gaff deck, and the second one is our material package. Inside the material package, there are 3 silver stickers, elastic invisible thread, 3 small magnets, a piece of transparent sticker, and some double-faced tape. Now, let's talk about how to use these 2 cards. It's a 3-card Monty effect. In addition to these 2 gaff cards, we also need a regular 3 of clubs. You put the regular card on top and put the missed corner card in the middle. We take out the red card and ask the spectators, where is the red card? Now, our fingers are covering the corner of the 2 of diamonds. When we turn over this card, the spectators will see it changes into a black ace. The red card is in my left hand. Actually, we use the 3 of clubs to cover the ace corner. This card is a 9 of spades. I take it in my hands and all the pips fall down. This 9 of spades and the indistinct queen of spades and the indistinct 5 of diamonds are very similar to the printing trick. You can use them in your own routines as you like. You can combine these 2 cards with a lot of stories. You can perform them according to the plot of the story, such as hypnotism. What you see are not real. What you see are indistinct. If I shake the 5 like this, the card will become indistinct. If I spin the queen of spades, it will also be indistinct. Next is the king of clubs. We can perform it as an individual trick. First, I take out a king of clubs. Then, we do a double lift to show it's a king of clubs. Then, we turn over the card, take it in my hand. Now, I can move the little pip downwards. There's a lip print on the 10 of spades. We can let a female spectator to choose a card, and let her to blow a case to the deck. The only card with a lip print is the spectator's chosen card. There's smoke on this 7 of spades. You can use a smoke gimmick or real smoke to change a regular 7 of spades into this card. It's a very good trick. On this card, the king is carrying a queen. If you use a king or queen in your routine, you can use it as a gag. This card is a fusion effect. You can use a double lift or any switch to fuse 2 cards together. There's a cat footprint on the 5 of spades. You can force a 5 of spades to a spectator and let a cat to walk through the whole deck. The only card with the footprint is the spectator's selection. This card is a vanishing pips trick. You can use a double lift to do it. You can use this card in a card trick you want to make a mistake on purpose. First, you force a 7 of diamonds to the spectator, and then you find the 3 of diamonds on purpose. Now you make a double lift, and then you give the gaff card to the spectator. You let the spectators to hold like this. When he turns over the card and moves his thumb away, he can see the prediction is right. This card is a find the card trick. First, you can force the 5 of hearts to the spectator, and then you put it back into the deck and shuffle. Now you drop the card and let the spectators to insert this card into the deck anywhere he likes. You can show above and below this card. These two cards are not the selection. When the spectator turn over this card, he can find that on the king's sword is the 5 of hearts. By the way, if they insert into the 5 of hearts, it's a real miracle. These cards are function cards. You can use this question mark to do a prediction. Finally, you can use a top change to change this card into the selection. You can also use the arrow card as a indicator. So, you can use different ways to turn over this card to do the magician's choice. The ESP cards, you can mark them on their backs, so you can know which card is the selection in advance. You can use them in mentalism.